Hello all, welcome back to NSA Maths. Now in the previous video we learned the definition of a rank and the finding the rank of a matrix by using definition. Also we learned the procedure to find the rank of the matrix by converting it to the echelon form. So we are going to take the example. We are going to find the rank of the matrix by converting this matrix to the echelon form. So see, given matrix A matrix, we have to convert this matrix in echelon form or upper triangular form. So for that, the first non-zero element, this non-zero element, so below that we have to make 0. Now here the element is 1, here element is 3. Now to make here and here 0, so this entry is 2. Now to get simplicity in calculation, we have to make first entry as a 1. It is not necessary, but to get simplicity in the calculation, here we have to make 1. So how to make 1? There are so many options. Either you can proceed by operation R1 minus R2, so you will get 2 minus 1 1. Or we can also apply the operation as interchange R1 and R2, so this one comes here. So I am going to interchange here R1 and R2. See what happens after interchanging R1 and R2. So this matrix becomes 1, 1, 1, 2, 2 minus 3, 4, 4, 3 minus 2, 3, 6. You will get this matrix. Now you will get this first non-zero element in first row. Here you have to make this element 0 and this element 0 because in the second row the first non-zero element must be to the right hand side. So in the second row the non-zero element must be either here or here or here. Okay, so you have to make these both elements 0. Now keep in mind that whenever you have to make the element from the first row, first column, these two elements are from the first column. We have to make these two elements from the first column, we have to make it 0. So use only the first row. To make, again I am repeating the statement, to make the elements from the first column 0, use only the first row and use only the row transformation because we are learning echelon form or canonical form. Only row transformations are allowed, column transformations are not allowed. So to make here 0 you have to use the first row, to make here 0 you have to use the first row. So what are the transformations? R2 minus 2 times R1 and R3 minus 3 times R1. These are the transformations. So see what happens. So there is operation on second row and operation on third row. So there is no change in the first row. So first row writing as it is, as 1, 1, 1, 2. Now there is a change in second row. What is second row? R2 minus 2 times R1. So subtract 2 times first. So we will get 2. This second row element is 2 minus 2 times 1. So we will get 2 minus 2 as a 0. Then minus 3 minus 2 times 1. So I am going to write here minus 3 minus 2 times 1. So it is 2. So you will get minus 5. Then 4 minus 2 times 1. So 4 minus 2 it is 2. 4 minus 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 minus 4 it is 0. Then see R3 minus 3 times R1. 3 minus 3 times 1. So 3 minus 3 it is 0. Minus 2 minus 3 times 1. So minus 2 minus 3 times 1 is 3. So you will get minus 5 again. Then 3 minus 3 times 1. So it is 0. 6 minus 3 times 2. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. We will get this matrix. So in the second row, the first non-zero element is to the right hand side. Now in the third row, the first non-zero element is to the right hand side of this entry. Okay. Here you will get the non-zero element. We have to make this element as a 0. We have to make this element 0. For that, we can apply the procedure. Here minus 5 is there. Here also minus 5 is there. So we can apply R3 minus R2. So here by applying R3 minus R2. See what happens. There is operation on R3. So change in R3. So R1 and R2 as it is. 1 1 1 2, 0 minus 5 2 0, and R3 minus R2, 0 minus 0, it is 0, minus 5 minus minus plus 5, it is 0, 0 minus 2, it is minus 2, 0 minus 0, it is 0. So you will get this matrix. So see, in the first row, first non-zero element is here. In the second row, the first non-zero element is to the right hand side, and the third row, the first non-zero element is to the right hand side of this element. So this matrix is in echelon form. So which is in echelon form. Therefore, rank of this matrix A is equals to number of non-zero rows. So how many non-zero rows? See the first row. This is non-zero row. So at least one entry which is non-zero. So the first row is non-zero row. Second row is also non-zero row. And third row is also non-zero row, because at least one entry, one element is non-zero. So there are 3 rows which are non-zeros. So the rank of this matrix is 3. Rank of this matrix is 3. Now let us take another example. Find the rank of the matrix by converting this matrix to the echelon form. The first row is 1 2 3, second row is 2 4 6, third row is 3 6 9. So see, the first element is non-zero and actually it is 1. We have to make this element 0 and we have to make this element 0 by using only first row. So the transformation is R2 minus 2 times R1 and R3 minus 3 times R1. So what will you get? There is operation on R2 and R3. So change in R2 and R3, R1 as it is. What is the change in R2? R2 minus 2 times R1. So 2 minus 2 times 1, it is 0. 4 minus 2 times 2. So 4 minus 4 is 0. 6 minus 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. Then R3 minus 3 times R1. So 3 minus 3 times 1. So 3 minus 3 is 0. 6 minus 3 times 2. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. And 9 minus 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. Now see, this is in echelon form. So rank of the matrix A is number of non-zero rows. Only one non-zero rows. So rank of this matrix is 1. Let us take another example. Now consider a matrix. Matrix A is equals to first row 1 2 minus 1 3, second row 3 4 0 minus 1, third row minus 1 0 minus 2 7. This matrix is of order 3 cross 4. Now to find the rank, before finding the rank, let us say one concept. If there is a matrix A having order m cross n, m number of rows and n number of columns. If A is a matrix having m cross n order, then rank of this matrix A is always less than equals to minimum of m and n. Okay. So rank of the matrix is less than equals to minimum of number of rows or number of columns. So here number of rows are 3 and number of columns are 4. So rank of this matrix is less than equals to the minimum. What is minimum? 3 and 4. In that minimum number is 3. So the rank of this matrix is less than equals to 3. So you have to find the rank of this matrix by converting this matrix to the echelon form. So what is first operation? Here we have to make this first non-zero element, we have to make both this element and this element 0 by using row 1 only, because I already told you that to make the 0 in the first column, these are the first column element, use only the first row. So the operations are R2 minus 3 times R1 and R3 plus R1. Why it is R3 plus R1? In R3 the first element is minus 1 and in R1 the first element is 1. If you take the addition, this minus 1 plus 1 becomes 0. We have to make here and here 0. So there is change in R2 and R3. R1 as it is. So 1, 2 minus 1, 3 as it is. Second row R2 minus 3 times R1, 3 minus 3 times 1. So 3 minus 3 is 0. 4 minus 3 times 2. 3 times 2 is 6. 4 minus 6 is minus 2. 0. This minus 3 times minus 1. Minus 3 times minus 1, that is plus 4. Minus plus 1, 3. minus 3 into R1 is minus 1. So it is plus 3. So 0 plus 3 is 3. Then minus 1 minus 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. So minus 1 minus 9, it is minus 10. Then next operation is on R3. R3 plus R1. So minus 1 plus 1, it is 0. 0 plus 2, it is 2. Minus 2 minus 1, it is minus 3. And 7 plus 3, it is 10. Now, see, you will get the second row, the first non-zero element here to the right hand side. Now, in the third row, you have to make this element, below this minus 2, you have to make this element as a 0. Now, we are in second column. So, in second column element, use only second row to make here 0. Don't use the first row to make here 0. If you use the first row to make here 0, this non-zero element again becomes, this 0 element again becomes non-zero. So this element in the second column, so to make the element from second column to 0, use only second row. Use only second row. Similarly, to make the third column element 0, use only third row, like that. So by using the second row, you have to make it 0. So in the second row, the element is minus 2 and this is 2. So if you take the operation as R3 plus R2, so this 2 plus minus 2, so 2 minus 2 get cancelled, you will get 0. So there is operation on R3. So R1, R2 as it is, 1, 2, minus 1, 3 as it is, 0 minus 2, 3 minus 10 as it is. Operation on R3, R3 plus R2, 0 plus 0 is 0, 2 minus 2 is 0, minus 3 plus 3 it is 0, 10 minus 10 it is 0. So then we will get last row as a 0. So this matrix is in echelon form since the non-zero element is to the right hand side and there is no non-zero element in the last row. So what is the rank of this matrix? It is number of non-zero rows. First row is non-zero, second row is non-zero and third row is 0 row. So don't count it. So this 1 and 2, there are 2 non-zero rows. So the rank of this matrix is 2. Then next example, find K if matrix A is equals to first row K, K 2, second row 2, 1, 1, third row 0, 0, minus 5 has rank 2. So you have to find the value of K if you have given that matrix of this rank of this matrix is 2. So since rank of this matrix is 2 and this matrix is of order 3 cross 3 according to the definition, so the rank of the matrix is 2, that means the minor of order 3 must be 0. That means minor of order greater than 2 is 0. So that means minor of order 3 is 0. What is minor of order 3? Determinant. So determinant of this matrix is 0. So if you consider the determinant of this matrix is equal to 0 and if you calculate the determinant is equal to 0, from that simplification we will get 5k is equal to 0, that means the value of k is 0. So this is the solution. For k is equal to 0 only, this matrix has rank 2. Now let us take another example. The question is find the rank of the matrix of order 10 cross 10 having each entry equal to 1. So what is the matrix A? Matrix A is the 10 cross 10 matrix having each element equals to 1. So here 1, 1, 1, it is 10 times. Here also 1, 1, 1, it is 10 times. So there are 10 rows and 10 columns. This is 10 cross 10 matrix having each entry equals to 1. So see, the first non-zero element in the first row it is 1. So below that we have to make 0. So all the rows are the first non-zero element for first row element is 1. So you have to use the operation as R2 minus R1, R3 minus R1, R4 minus R1 and so on up to R10 minus R1. So after making this operation, see what happens. The first row as it is, we will get 1, 1, 1 up to 10 entries are there. Now second row is same as first row and we are going to subtract second row from the first row. So we will get second row as or entries as 0. Also third row is same as first row, because since all entries are equals to 1, so all rows are equal. So all the rows are equal to the first row. So if you take the subtraction, you will get remaining all the rows are equals to 0. So this is in echelon form matrix. Okay, and number of non-zero rows, only first row is non-zero row, so rank of this matrix is 1. So keep in mind that if this type of question comes, that means find the rank of the matrix of order 10 cross 10 having each entry equals to 1, then or order any order n cross n order having each entry equals to 1, then you will get the rank equals to 1. Here I just take the example of order 10 cross 10. If you take any order, any n cross n order having each entry equals to 1 or having each entry equal, then that time the rank of the matrix is 1. Also, let us consider another simple example. If I have a matrix having the rows are multiple of each other, okay, that means first row is 1, 2, 3, second row is multiple of first row, that means 2, 4, 6, 8, third row is multiple of first row, 3, 6, 9, 12. So if we multiply first row by 2, so you will get this second row, multiply first row by 3, so you will get third row. This time is also rank of the matrix is equals to 1. Since if you use R2 minus R1 and R3 minus R1, automatically first row as it is, and second row 2 minus 2 becomes R2 minus 2 times R1, R3 minus 3 times R1. So R2 minus 2 times R1, 2 minus 2 becomes 0, 4 minus 4 becomes 0. All elements automatically becomes 0 because this row is multiple of first row, this row is also multiple of first row. That time rank of A is equals to 1. So this is all about the rank of the matrix by converting this to the echelon form or the canonical form. Now some examples for the exercise. See, these are some questions in front of you. Find the rank of the matrix by converting it to the echelon form. Out of that, I already taken this first number, 6th number and 10th number. This example is completed, this example is completed, and this example is completed. Okay, then solve the remaining example. Solve yourself. Try to find the rank. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section, or also you can ask me on WhatsApp personally. Thank you for watching video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.